Workout techniques. Here are some workout techniques that you can incorporate into your fitness routine. Before starting, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more future updates. So, let's start. High-intensity interval training. HIIT involves short bursts of intense exercise followed by short periods of rest or low-intensity activity. It helps improve cardiovascular fitness, burn calories, and boost metabolism. Examples of HIIT workouts include sprint intervals, circuit training, or Tabata-style workouts. Circuit training. Circuit training involves performing a series of exercises in a sequence, with little to no rest in between. It targets multiple muscle groups and provides a cardiovascular challenge. You can set up stations with different exercises and move from one station to the next, completing a full circuit before resting. Supersets. Supersets involve performing two exercises back-to-back without rest. They target the same muscle group or opposing muscle groups. For example, you can perform a set of bicep curls immediately followed by tricep dips. Supersets help increase intensity and efficiency in your workouts. Drop sets. Drop sets involve performing an exercise with a heavy weight until muscle fatigue, then immediately reducing the weight and continuing the exercise to failure. It helps increase muscle endurance and can be used for both strength training and muscle hypertrophy. Pyramid training. Pyramid training involves gradually increasing or decreasing the weight or repetitions for a given exercise. For example, you can start with a light weight and higher repetitions, then gradually increase the weight and decrease the repetitions with each set. It allows you to challenge your muscles in different ways. Plyometrics. Plyometric exercises are explosive movements that involve jumping, hopping, or bounding. They help improve power, speed, and agility. Examples include squat jumps, box jumps, or burpees. Active rest. Instead of completely resting between sets, incorporate active rest exercises. This can be a low-intensity exercise like walking or jogging in place, doing jumping jacks, or doing bodyweight exercises like lunges or push-ups. Active rest keeps your heart rate elevated and increases calorie burn. Remember to always use proper form and technique during exercises and listen to your body. If you're new to these techniques, start with lighter weights or lower intensity and gradually progress as you become more comfortable and stronger. This is it for today's video. What do you think of our video? Feel free to share your thoughts in the comments section below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more future updates. Thanks for watching.